we will win. 70 North Shillong is a BJP seat, no doubt about it. Last time we lost by almost 300 votes. This time we will win with a stunning majority.
How do you think one of the candidates,
BJP was never a divided house.
Michael Johnson, is out of BJP? Is a threat to you?
It's not a threat to me. Sorry.
BJP votes are divided.
Pardon me?
BJP votes will be divided.
No. Votes. Whoever is a BJP worker, he remains a BJP worker. 3 or 4 main issues: education, healthcare, employment, and security. And all my work will revolve around these 4 main issues.
How do you see the performance of the sitting legislator of North Shillong?
I don't think so. It's proper for me to make comments. That is, I leave it to the electorate.
The opponents allege that you are involved in fake and counter killings during your police rule. Your response?
The thing is, anyone can make any allegations. The legal system is there in place, the code of laws are there in place, and whoever has made this allegation, I think so, it's I would say it's stooping too low. But the central leadership, in their own wisdom, probably they feel that if the party is still there in the government, probably they'll still be able to reign on the government rather than leave the government completely on its own. So in their wisdom of things, I feel that that is why they've decided not to withdraw. You'll have to ask those people who have bought, because I've not spent a single penny. I have got this ticket based on survey reports. I've got the ticket based on various factors that the party has put in, and I've not spent a single penny for this ticket. I've got this ticket based on my merit. See, the thing is, scams have happened. It's not only me saying. The media has been carrying that on a daily basis. For that matter, even the Honorable High Court has made comments on this. So let's see, when we come to the government, then let's see at that point of time. Right now, I do not want to make any comment.
But there are multiple hits in North Shillong, the highest, 8 together. So how do you see this program, and what sort of changes it will bring for you?
There are, yes. But you see, the thing is, remember one thing, North Shillong is a constituency where I should say 100% of people are literate. Everything is available to them. They will definitely look into the party, the performance of the party in all other states that the BJP has ruled. They will, of course, definitely look into the capability of the candidates. So based on this, people will make a choice. And I'm very certain that the majority of them will make a BJP choice.
So earlier,
He must mention double engine, so that the development that we have not got for the last 50 years, we'll be able to bring in by having this double engine government. One in center with the BJP and also definitely here. But the thing he never mentioned, I don't know. I've not seen him portraying himself as Chief Minister